pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. But we fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want. Then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
Hey everybody, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi! I'm really glad you clicked on this video. Today I have a BoxyCharm unboxing and I chose an eyeshadow palette. So I thought that I would do my makeup while opening up BoxyCharm. This is the $25 a month base box. It's one of 3 beauty and skincare makeup subscriptions that you can get monthly. Base box. Then they've got the premium for $35 a month. Then they have the quarterly box, which is the Boxy Luxe, and that is about $50. Alright, so let's see what is in here. This is what she looks like when you open her up. You get a card with the prices, information about the products, the, what is that number called? The variation number. And let's see what we got. Now, I did not get to choose. One of the choices I had seen for the June spoilers last month was that OPV palette, and that was not a choice when I went to go make my choice. So I actually chose, I believe it was the Maven Beauty Stargate. That was available for a choice. Okay, let's see what we got in here. So the first thing I see is the Glam Glow Super Cleanse Clearing Cream to Foam Cleanser. The last Glam Glow cleanser I had got, I was not really excited for. So this one here, I think it's different. Yeah, it is. I think it was like a pink bottle I had gotten. So this is it here. It just says it's an advanced cleanser with a powerful blend of 3 charcoals to detoxify skin by removing pore clogging, debris, excess oil, and face makeup. $32. So it actually removes face makeup. Okay. A lot of the times you got to use, it's got a safety seal, that's cool. A lot of the times you have to use a makeup remover first because cleanser doesn't usually get it all. It was definitely charcoal-y. It's got a charcoal gray look to it. So I'm excited about that. I'll use that. I don't have to buy cleansers. That makes me happy. Okay, the next thing I see is the Maven Beauty Cosmic Drip Eyeshadow Palette. I did some looking for this eyeshadow palette, and it looks like the Maven Beauty launched back in October of 2020, and they have a few things out. I had seen a lot of it was under $20, and it was on FashionNova.com, but I had also seen that they had like a final sale on these palettes. And from what I understand, they just got this palette this year, and I think that I really like the packaging, it's cute, but when I looked at their eyeshadows, they were either all shimmer quads or all matte quads. So this is the one we have here. We're actually going to try this on today. It has a $23 value. I just think that you can get Maven Beauty. We've seen a lot of their products in BoxyCharm. I do have their setting spray, which is pretty decent. I got that in BoxyCharm earlier this year, and I don't know. We're going to have to try out that eyeshadow palette and see what we got. Okay, let's move on. We have True and Luscious Flower Dose Lip and Eye Serum. This also stumped me. It has a $34 value, and I thought that it would it's intense hydration, it's a plumping serum, and it's for your eyes and your lips. I mean, they're both sensitive areas, but I would not think that you would use one product for both. But that's what they have right here, and it looks like a syringe. Oh. Okay. Wait a minute. Here we are here. And then it comes out this way here. And it just feels like a regular serum to me. I have no idea if it'll work on lips, but I'll try it. Have you tried this yet? Let me know. Okay. Luna Magic Beauty is the next thing. It has a $25 value. And it is a lash primer with just one sweep This innovative primer mascara glides on to evenly coat and smooth your lashes to maximize the final result of your favorite mascara. Okay, so we'll try this out too and see what it does. All right, let's see what else we got. Okay, so the last thing we got here is 2 sheet masks, face masks. It says an $18 value. It's from Vitamasks. Vitamasks actually just came out with these 2. These are new. They came out with 4 sheet masks, really, just recently, and it says that they got like good stuff in it: vitamin C, niacinamide, multi-berry complex. I'm not really sure what that is. This one's made with multi-peptides, ceramides, probiotics, and flower extracts. So I'll have to try them out. I'm not a fan of sheet masks, but if it works, you know what? Put it on one day, we'll see. All right, so that's it. We got the masks, the looks like an injection, the eye and lip serum, the Glam Glow cleanser, and then we got the palette and the lash primer, which we're gonna try right now. So let's see. I thought it was really weird that they've got either all matte or all shimmer palettes. There's got to be a reason for it, right? Their packaging is kind of cute. It's basic, no mirror, nothing like that, but I'm sure they can keep cost low because of that. Let me get some eye primer on here. Go in with MAC Paint Pot. Just sweep some over the eye. All right, you guys ready? Let's go in with, let's try this shade. It feels soft, but they feel kind of dry. My brush is not picking up hardly anything. I'm gonna try a different brush. Have you guys tried these shadows yet? This is my first time trying it. And this is just like a sparkly brown with other little specks of colors in it. Kona, hush.
She's like,
sorry. Alright, well, this is definitely dry. And it's crumbly. Trying to avoid fallout. It feels kind of creamy, but then it lays down as dry. It's definitely dry on the eye. Yeah, that's a super dry shadow. Let's try it with the finger. Goes on better with the finger, but I don't like putting eyeshadow on with my fingers. This one. Definitely get more out of it when you use your finger, so that's probably going to be something that you want to do. Fallout is definitely an issue. Okay. We need to blend. I have no idea how these are going to blend. Let's go in with this complex culture brush. It's going to blend all together, basically. Yeah. This is where I would have rather had a matte in here. So I could just put the shimmers over it. Not a fan of these shadows. I wanted to do an eye look for you guys off camera. These shadows are so bad, it is ridiculous. Really bad. As soon as you lay it down, it's got tons of fallout, and then if you try to blend it, like this would have worked great in the 90s because we didn't really blend anything then. But for now, nope. As soon as you do, it all blends together and it's just ugh. So the only way you could really probably use this probably as a topper, I would think. Now we've got this lash primer, And I don't see any instructions. So, oh, it's pink. Let's see. I always wear falsies, so I don't have very many lashes. But it's coating them. Okay. I'm assuming you need to let this dry. And I don't know if you put primer down here. I guess you could. I didn't even really put shadow down here. I just let the fallout stay. I was like, I'm not going to bother with this shadow palette. It is awful. Okay. Anyone want the eyeshadow palette? And it doesn't really work that well. It maybe does some length, but that's it. And I'm guessing you don't have to let it dry, because if you do, it's like putting on a second or third coat of mascara. That's how it feels. Yeah, they didn't separate my lashes very well. It's just really one big clump. Alright guys, well, that was awful. These shadows right here are going in the garbage. It is just not even, no. This here, there was no instructions, but I waited for it to dry. No, no, definitely not. My total value of the box was $134. I don't like the eyeshadow palette or the primer. Maybe I'll have to try the primer again. We'll see, but my eyelashes are still pink in one area. I just figured, you know what? I hate this eyeshadow look anyway. We'll just put on a really fluffy lash. So that is what I did. Now you guys tell me. I need to know. Please tell me down in the comments below. Did you get this eyeshadow palette? Did it work for you? Have you used this before? Do you like it? Let me know. Anything else that you'd like to comment about that was in my box, put that down below, and I will do my very best if you have questions to answer them for you. I have nothing else to say except that I love every single one of you, and this box, nah, definitely not, nope. Can't say I'm excited about it, but I will see you guys really soon in another video. I have what's coming out this week with the add-ons, so I'll see you guys over there at that video, and hopefully we can get some really good stuff for a good price. Thanks guys for watching. I will see you guys real soon. Bye.